So one of the most interesting things that I think that I learned when I actually opened up my business is how many people actually ask for free stuff. I mean, I would get multiple calls a month of people wanting me to donate stuff to them. Somebody's having a silent auction, somebody's having some kind of function, but you will get a lot of calls for people asking you to donate stuff to them. And the thing that's actually pretty interesting as a small business, and especially in the beginning, you can't actually really afford to be actually donating stuff to people because you're still trying to get money coming in the door. So I thought that was actually one of the big things that actually surprised me was the amount of requests for donations that you will get after actually starting your business. And it's actually interesting because I thought maybe it was just me because, I actually sell gourmet popcorn. But just today, I went down to one of the businesses down the street, a pizza shop, and I talked to them, and they also get it. I mean, like, I guess they want them to donate pizzas to them. So, no matter what kind of business you have, you're going to get calls for people asking for donations. And those donations may be actual physical product or donation of your services that you normally pay or have people pay for that they want for free. So be prepared that it's one of the things that nobody ever told me was that you're going to get a lot of calls for people asking for free stuff.